Hey guys, this is my truck edition of my collections. Welcome to Tony's Junkyard. My goal is to turn this backyard into a big junkyard. Uh, it's mini to the mighty. I'm not gonna talk about this van much. It's my all these are something special for me. Starting with the mini. Guess which one I use the most for hauling stuff? It is this one. This truck is so practical. Look at this. It's a flatbed. I can put whatever. And I have 4-wheel drive. It's great on fuel, I think. I never calculated. It's easy to work on, never breaks, never let me down. And you have a 660cc motor underneath here. Right here, tiny motor. And it's 5-speed manual with an extra low gear. And all of these cars I use them. And this is my KZJ78. This is my indestructible Land Cruiser. Solid axles. Look at the size of those axles. It's amazing. And it has that amazing, it's in really good condition. It has this diesel motor. It will run forever as long as you don't overheat them. They tend to overheat and crack the head. If you upgrade the radiator, which I need to do, and do few upgrades for the cooling system, and it will run forever. And it's very heavy and very strong truck. And this is my most favorite. Went to Mexico a few times, been to California a few times. It's been all over the world. Not really, like, Western Hemisphere. Pretty much Canada, Mexico, and the United States. Every single corner. It has 250,000 miles. Still runs amazing. Still, the leather is holding up great. The dash is cracking, which is known for these cars. And it's a original hybrid battery. Runs smooth. I need to clean this up like all these cars. And that one I owned it for 1 year. 3 years in a month. 2 months in 2 months. This one I owned it for about, I would say 8-9 years. 8 years I would say. And this is the truck. I own this for close to 10 years or more. It's a rare combo for the Tundra. Regular cab with the 7-foot bed with 4-wheel drive with the V8. I see a lot of these with just the 2-wheel drive, but yeah, This one has low miles for it. It has only 190,000 miles. I need a paint job in this, but you know. And it's so smooth. 2UZ motor. I wish I don't have this. I wish it was the original airbox. I hate that crap. The previous owner put this, and this is so smooth. You can rev it up to the red line and the motor would stay smooth. It wouldn't shake or anything. Such a great motor. Of course, this one has the exhaust manifolds are cracked. It's a pain. It's a known issue. And I have been treating the frame. The weak spot on these are the frames. I have been treating them. Even if I take it off-road, I would wash them and treat them, and I love this truck. This is gonna be my off-road rig soon. I'm gonna do some modifications to make it, you know. And most of the off-roading I've done with this. It's ironically, I just put new tires, brand new tires on this. Let's see. I'm hoping I can get 300,000 miles out of this. This one, it needs some work. It needs a caster correction because it has a lift. Kind of unstable after 70 miles per hour. And I need to change the rear seal of the transmission. This also needs a bushing in the front steering box. It has a death wobble, but I don't drive more than 30 miles per hour with this. It's just for going for Home Depot. Yeah, thank you for watching. Yeah, this is my babies. That I'll make another video with the classics.